Hi, my name is Graham Immerman, and welcome to the Connected Factory Experience at IMTS 2022. Today is a once-in-a-generation opportunity for manufacturers to capitalize on the reorganization of the global supply chain. To do so, manufacturing today is undergoing a significant transformation from manual lean systems to connected systems that rely less on interaction between humans and process. Yet, most factories still have disconnected operations. Many machines are disconnected from the people who operate them and the systems that manage day-to-day operations. Simply put, the tools of yesterday just aren't cutting it anymore. A recent survey suggested that over 80% of companies either disliked or even hated their manufacturing software. These all-in-one systems are jacks of all trades and master of none, requiring spreadsheets or paper to fill the gaps. We can't solve the problems of tomorrow with the tools of the past. A new school of thought is emerging, led by visionary software companies with one shared goal: to accelerate our industry's ability to connect, optimize, adapt, and evolve, no matter what the circumstances may be. And we call ourselves the Connected Factory. The Connected Factory features best-of-breed systems that each solve a specific manufacturing problem with their own workflows and easy access to data via APIs, all connected in one digital thread. From production to maintenance to quality to operations, this emerging ecosystem is able to leverage now proven SaaS technology to provide the best possible experience for the user with the least amount of manual data entry required. At IMTS 2022 in South Building, Level 3, booth 338248, the power of the Connected Factory will be on display for the first time via a live demonstration, featuring MachineMetrics, MaintainX, VKS, Fulcrum, FANUC, and Universal Robots. We've assembled a semi-automated manufacturing line driven entirely by machine data, with frontline workers only participating when entirely necessary. The entire manufacturing process is monitored in real time. All maintenance and production workflows around the line are automated through a modern cloud software stack that connects and minimizes human data entry. This data can be used to provide better insights, improved quoting, and improved user experiences for all of those involved. MachineMetrics provides the machine connectivity and the real-time data to deliver production visibility and performance analytics automated, as well as driving shop floor maintenance and operation systems with no operator data entry required. MaintainX delivers automated maintenance workflows driven by real-time machine diagnostics that identify and trigger maintenance tasks when they should be performed to prevent unplanned downtime. Say goodbye to PM calendars. VKS delivers digital work instructions based on current production activities and an inspection assembly bench that's connected directly to the MES to guide the efficient capture of quality data and eliminate manual errors. Fulcrum integrates real-time production, maintenance, and quality data to enable production managers to produce detailed BOM and routing, build adaptive schedules, and view live tracking of all work in process, inventory, and quality. Adios, old school ERP. Excited? So are we. With the Connected Factory ecosystem, you can gain value from your software stack in days, not years. So, what are you waiting for? Meet us at IMTS 2022. Let's get connected.